Hi there, welcome to the practice questions on being able to round to a number of significant figures. What I'd like you to do now is to pause the video, just have a go at these 4 questions, and then when you're happy with your answers, then restart the video and go through the model answers. So pause the video now and have a go at questions 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hi, welcome back. Let's go through these 4 questions now. Question 1. What we've got to do is we've got to round this number to one significant figure. Now when we round into significant figures, all that's important is if it's one significant figure, we look at the number that we're going to write down as being significant and the next number, which in this case is the 8. That's all that's important here. And what we do is we say, is this 8 5 or greater? Well, yes it is, and that tells us that the one in front of it rounds up 1. So this would round to 3, and then we fill in the rest of the digits with zeros. So make sure you've got the right amount of zeros. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits after the first number. We need 6 zeros in our answer. Question 2. This time we need 2 significant figures. So it's these 2 numbers here that are the significant ones, and the only other number that's important is the one after that, which is the 2. So 2, is it 5 or greater? No, it's not. So that tells us the number preceding it, or the digit preceding it, stays as it is. So this stays as 3, 6, and then all the rest of the digits turn to zeros. So make sure you've got the right amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits after the 6, you need 5 in your answer. Question 3. Now when we're dealing with decimal numbers, the first number that becomes significant is the first digit that is not a 0. So that's the 8. So then the only other number that's important is the one next to it, the 7. Is that 5 or more? Yes it is. So it tells you the one in front of it, the 8, will round up. But we must keep the zeros here. So it's 0.0009, and the rest would turn to zeros. We don't need to write those in if the zeros are after the digit after the decimal point. So this is our final answer. Last one. 3 significant figures. So this time we're looking for 1, 2, 3 numbers to be written after the first one after the zeros. So we need to look at the next number, which is the 2. Is that 5 or more? No, it's not. So the one preceding it stays as a 3. So our answer becomes 0.00513, and that would become a 0, but we don't need the 0 if it's after the decimal points.